to participate in this kind of action. Because I am Chola Pacific.
You have the abilities.
Because I believe education is always
with that. I am that hero.
So ay ninapin guys ne, day 3 na ng ating annual celebration Kenny King Kappa. So nananong ka pa, munta na ko Kenny Plasuela. Waping guys, tara na Kenny Malbeta ng Grand Coronation Night ni Ginoong Kapas 2024. O guys, are na rin Board of Judges o. Tara pengkot ng antalan, una naman yung pantunanda, King Meto nga Ginoong Kapas 2024. Sige pen, tarakot ng antalan.
Personality. Yan. At saka may tiwala sa sarili.
May angking siyang talino at ang isa pa, dapat magaling siya.
I think yung babasehan ko is paano po sila yung mga characteristic nila, like paano sila mag-walking, gano'n.
Which is someone na hindi lang guwapo, hindi lang talented, hindi lang matalino, but really someone who can give purpose, who can help in our community.
Aligned with Man of the World International Pageant, and I'm looking for someone who values education as well.
I would choose someone who can or who will best represent the municipality of Capas.
Ulit na pala guys, rin pantunanda rin judges, pero bala mo yata, karatang pantunanda, alakungan. So tara, punta na natin candidates kay backstage, interview talo. So guys, I need you na ako backstage. Punta lang tala rin candidates, naning ginuukot ng antalapin, nung palagay na iyaing manyambot Ginoong Kapas 2024.
I would surpass by being a gold ribbon.
By his character and kindness and interest and how he uplifts those around him. Thank you.
Para din po ito sa mamamayan ng Kapas, para isa po itong event na lahat po nagkakaisa at nagtutulong-tulungan.
He should remain humble and put himself into other shoes.
Pagiging respeto po at pagmahal.
Confident, competent, and have a valuable character.
O ito naman pala, kagalindang sagot. Na mo ako judge nung nagkasagot ng mamili. So, bahala na rin judges. So, malapit na yata mag-umpisa. So, sabi-sabi tamang malbe, saksihan nung ninong manyambot ngening Ginoong Kapas 2024. Happy na ini guys. So, production number with the candidates wearing their national costumes. By the way guys, so pala yung Manic Walking Best in National Costume. Bongga ne? Nuko guys, pangatikas daw. Ayan o. Casual wear competition ta na guys. Ayan o, pangatikas daw. Hinyaman dalakad ne? Uy, tinapin guys, yung panayin na rin madla. Ayan no, in swimwear. Ay, nandinukot ang kuyo. Oh, yan no. Saan tinalumakad? So ngayon guys, albentala rin kaya katamang Ginoo, nung makananula katikas at kaelegante, king karelang formal wear. Yes, host, please don't prolong our agony. Pilang ko lang Aldo at Bengi daramdaman niyan yung prolong na yan. Top 10 reveal, please. So guys, top 10 question na nanuko po. Sabi dapin, pati masanting kasagot kini, sigurado pasok ka kimbanga, pasok ka kin top 5. Sige, pen, pakardamantala rin kaya katamong Ginoo nung masanting lang sagot. Sige na mo, sige, pen.
Characteristics do you have could make you win Papas 2024?
You have this kind of knowledge. If you know how to think critically, then you can contribute meaningfully to our society.
If you have the chance to discuss a social issue with world leaders, what social issue would it be and why?
To forgive our fellow man or to the Philippines, then we are heading to the great nation of humanity and unity. And together as Philippines, we shall all thrive amidst our adversity.
Haro guys, top 5 na mga kataro. Luhog na kaya rin kaya katamong pambato. Abangan!
Is you. Step forward. Ginoo candidate number 16, 15, 2, 7, 8.
So guys, may pili na lang kaya katamong top 5. May itong namukan na ng questioning, sagutan da ng kaya katamong Ginoong Papas 2024.
As a Kapaseño and good citizen of this country, what national issue bothers you most and how will you interfere with it using your title as Ginoong Papas 2024?
That you can do whatever you want, regardless of the gender that you have, as long as you have the skills, you have the abilities, and at the same time, you are inspirational.
Because remember Kapaseños, that education is one of the important aspects in our society, because in education, it is not only the children who will benefit from it, but also to all the people around us.
When doing so, I will strive to be an inspiration to all the Kapaseños and those who are around me.
So guys, miras na umurig yung exciting part ng ating programa, yung announcement of winners. So guys, yung many ko aking second runner-up, Ginoong Kumpug. Palibre naman dyan. Char. Ginoong Dolores naman guys, yung many ko aking first runner-up. Nung Nokril na Malampaga rin Flores, Dolores. Ikut first naman yung medyo Ginoo Kalikasan. Yan. Hindi siya kapag kalikasan. Char.
Our Ginoong Bautismo is Ginoong candidate Ginoong candidate number 8.
So guys, ito yung katamang Ginoong Turismo Ginoong Santo Rosario. Ayan. Kasi wala na rin Patleng, O'Donnell back to back lang ilang title.